Hey G12, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool measurement right here, and basically what this is a hands-free leash that also comes with a little pouch. If you guys can see it from this band right here. And for this product, actually comes with many different sizes and many different colors as well. So they have a small option, and they also have a medium option, and they also have a large option as well. So depending on how big or how small your dog is, you definitely want to do your own research to see which one is best for you guys. And like I mentioned, it actually comes in different colors as well. They have this available in like black, blue, emerald green, and the list goes on. The one that we got right here is an emerald green color. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so this is basically everything that's included inside. So right here, when you see it, this is basically the leash option. So basically one side you guys want to attach it onto your pouch, and the other side you want to attach it onto your dog's collar. And the way how to design this part right here is actually stretchable. You can see. Same thing for this side as well. So that way actually allows your pet to actually freely run if they want to a little bit. And also for this part here and this part as well, they do give you guys a little handle option if you guys need to actually lift this up or carry this part right here to get good grip from your dogs if you guys put this on. And the mention for this bungee rope that we have right here is actually much more higher quality than your typical bungee ropes. So these should be really durable when you guys use this option right here. And then right here, you can see we do have the buckle option right here. And it's really cool how to give you guys these two options right here. So you can definitely use this side, or you can use this side right here to attach it onto the leash. And then for the buckle option right here, they do have an unlock and lock button right here, which is pretty nice as well. So not only can you just unlock it right here, but you guys have to unlock it right here before you guys can do that. So that's a pretty good safety feature right here. So that way your pet will never run away. You can see. Pretty strong and durable, but I definitely want to make sure you guys lock it before you guys use it, so that way you can not open up this part right here. And definitely the overall quality of the belt right here feels like a high quality material. You can see. And then last but not least, we have the actual pouch right here. So this is what it looks like in the front, and here's what it looks like in the back. So basically want to slide the belt inside right here, and then right here we do have a zipper compartment. So when you guys open it up, this is basically what the inside looks like. If you can see, definitely very spacious. And inside the pouch right here, I'm not sure if you can see or not, but they do have a divider option. So you can definitely put stuff on here, and you can put stuff on here to actually separate it. So maybe you guys want to put your phone on one side, and then the other side you guys want to put like your poop bags for your dogs. You can definitely do that on here. And also on the side right here, if you can see, they do have a slot for you guys to pull out like your headphones or your charging cable or whatever, which is pretty nice as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually put this all together to show you guys how to actually put together, and also show you guys what it actually looks like first. So you basically want to unbuckle it right here first. And you basically want to just slide this inside right here. Once you guys slide it through, buckle back up together, and then lock it up. And also if you guys need to adjust the size on the belt right here, they do have the option right here to actually adjust it, to make it looser or tighter. And basically what I'm going to do next is attach this part right here. So you basically want to just clip this on right here, or if you guys want to clip it on right here, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And this is basically what the overall part looks like once you guys put it on. Let me actually put this around my waist to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so you basically want to strap it in the back right here, but it's kind of like tight right now, so I need to loosen it up. Alright, so once you guys got it on, this is basically actually looks like right here. And then for the other side right here, you basically want to clip it onto your dog or your pet or whatever. So I'm actually clip this on somewhere to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so I actually got it clipped onto a frame right now. And when I try to pull it, you guys can see how it actually pulled me back. So because of that bungee rope option right here, it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to actually take care of your pet and everything. So if they do run away or whatever, you guys see how it actually pulls them and pull me back. You can see right here, it's pulling me forward. And then if you guys want to pull it back, you definitely have this option right here to actually pull it back like this if you guys want to as well. If you can see. But definitely really cool part right here if you can see. So that way you don't have to use a hand to actually hold your pet all the time. This is actually really strong and really sturdy. Definitely really cool product, so that way you guys don't actually need to use your hand if you don't want to. And you definitely put stuff in here as well, such as your phone, your poop bags, your water bottles or whatever. You can definitely put a lot of stuff inside right here. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. So now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are a pet owner. And if you guys have like a big pet or small pet, definitely getting one of these right here is super convenient. So that way you get a hands-free experience. And that way it's actually multitask if you guys want to as well. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.